We all understand the problems and the risks associated with junk food, but what about takeaways? What about order in delivery foods? Well, those are just as bad for you. I know, right? Shocking. Gotta have a plan B. Warning: overcooking under the influence. Okay, well, what the heck are we doing out here? There is one major reason you shouldn't feel so bad about the sloppy 2 a.m. kebab. In fact, it's even being encouraged. Really? Okay, that kind of throws my take on the situation completely out of whack. Cooking under the influence may be the new drunk driving, with strong warning from top firefighters. Oh, people are burning down their house. That totally makes sense. To avoid making a drunk snack. The leading cause for house fires in New South Wales is leaving cooking unattended, and fresh data from Fire and Rescue revealing 37% of residential fires this winter began in kitchens or cooking areas. Oh shit. The leading cause of house fires in New South Wales is leaving cooking unattended. The fresh data from Fire and Rescue. Yo, I just read that. Anyways, Fire Commissioner Jerry Futrell, warned that Aussies coming home from a night out may fall asleep while waiting for their food to cook, with potentially deadly results. Holy shit, man. That is where the consequences of alcohol enable an unattended kitchen fire to start. You gotta have a plan B from a don't drink and drive perspective. Not drinking and cooking at home is probably another one people can turn their minds to. 9 people died in that area in residential fires between June the 1st and August 31st this year. The 1,020 fires resulting in 94 injuries. Holy shit, man. A lot of people are drunk cooking. That's kind of wild. Kitchens were primarily origin of these fires, followed by lounge rooms and bedrooms at 11% and 7% respectively. I would have thought bedrooms catching on fire would be a little bit higher, but oh well, I digress. While many Aussies know not to leave cooking unattended, Mr. Futrell warned that alcohol is impairing people's decision making and their ability to react to a fire. It's probably best to pay those extra few dollars for takeaway. It's a much safer option than to try and cook something for themselves late after a night out. So yeah, once again, this is just another reason why I'm not a big fan of alcohol. I always think that it's a bad idea for you, mostly because it leads you to really terrible decisions, and this right here being chief among them. So with all that said, thank you all very much for the gift of your time. I've been Don Consuelo. I want you to follow your gut and get after it. Take care, everyone.